A bit of 1950s knitting inspiration for you. I'm going to show you the jumper and I shall pop the pattern details at the end of the video. This vintage knit is suitable for knitting with a 4-ply yarn or fingering yarn. I've knit it in a yarn that's a cotton mix, I think it was. It was quite a long time since I knit it, but it's got a cottony feel to it, definitely. And it's 3/4 sleeves. Nice little ribbon detail around the neck, and it's nice because it's got a contrast, and I do like a nice stripy top. The sleeve construction is a little bit different to a modern pattern. So the sleeve is knit, but then you can see there's a sort of a gusset affair going on under the arm, which makes it helps with fitting really, but it's just a bit of a different detail for what you see on a modern pattern. And then the top of the sleeve, there's not a lot of shaping really, because it's a straight edge here. I did knit this pattern quite a few years ago. It's on my Ravelry if you want to find me on there, the details of when I knitted it. But this is a pattern that I will have found online somewhere. Looking at it, I'd say it's probably a Stitchcraft pattern. If anybody watching knows that that's the case and where it's from and which Stitchcraft, then please put a comment below. Please take a look at my playlist to see more knitting inspiration. Hit the like button if you've enjoyed this video and subscribe to see more knitting tips and details of how you can create your unique wardrobe too.